This one I believe is the fish. Yes, it is. It is the fish.
Be my I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Okay, what is going on, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Stream Deck, features of the Stream Deck. We want to check the multifunction use out. They say that it has pretty much unlimited capabilities as long as there's hotkeys involved. Usually this is more for live streamers. However, I'm not too much of a live streamer. I don't go live stream that often, so I want to see if it can just be a typical gamer use or content creator. Let's just get into the unboxing. Alright, so quick start guide as with everything. There we go. Okay, so it comes like so. The USB cord, we got our Stream Deck, and we got a placement holder. So if you want to go ahead and have it elevated into like so. This way it can be up on the desk and pushing the buttons. Okay, so that is the unboxing. It looks like that's it. That comes in the box. Okay, so when we start up the computer, we got the Stream Deck, and we're introduced with the Elgato logo. And then the first thing that comes up when the computer starts is the welcome Elgato. And as soon as you press the button in the middle, you are taken to the screen. Now on here you get your downloads. Well, you want to download the Stream Deck for Windows, and you can download the control center for Windows also if you have any of the key light airs or the key lights to control the lights also with the Stream Deck, which is pretty cool. Instead of having to go through my phone to turn it on, I'm gonna try to make a macro just so I could press it and it turns on. You know, that one should be pretty simple. So we will be trying those things out. So here you would download, and let's go back to the welcome center. It tells you congratulations, watch the video, can't speak. Watch the video below to get started, then use Key Creator to make Stream Deck completely yours. I actually kind of peeked into this. Oh, I have a link. You can actually make your own icons for your LCD touch screen for the Stream Deck. So if you wanted, we can make this one of our hotkeys, or make this one of our keys, you know, and then you can name it when you save it, and then you put it here, you edit the text. Job, can we move it? Yes, we can move it. Center. Is there a way to make sure it's in the center though? That would be good. This is just a test. I'm gonna be doing a little bit, you know, I'm gonna be messing with the functions. I'm gonna be putting them on here so that you guys can see the quality, and then I'll show you up close. But first I want to jump in and see if I can do something for the light, one of the easy ones for our first ones. This is the first day testing it out. We just plugged it in. So okay, so this is the screen when we first open up the Stream Deck. We have the same welcome logo. So these are the like macros that are already set. So if you want to do a game capture, you want to capture, you know, a scene, make a button to do swapping scenes, to record, to take a screenshot, flashback recording. So this one, slide back in time and record retroactively. So you can click, drag it, you know, put a title for it. You can change the logo or whatever by clicking this little thingamabob, and then you would set from file, and then you would go to where you made the icon, set the title, and then the duration. And then you got for your mixer users, OBS Studio users, for soundboard if you want to play or stop an audio. Stream Deck, we're going to be using this one. You know, the multi-action use, you would drag an action from the right and drop it here, and then you can put a delay, but the duration, you know, 1000 milliseconds will be 1 second. So you would use that in between your functions, sort of speak. And we'll be testing all that out. Stream Deck, you have Streamlabs, system. Oh, this is if you want to go to a website, make hotkey switch, hotkeys, something to open, text, multimedia. You got the Twitter. This is for when you want to make a tweet, like if you're going live or if you put up a new video. Just like I said, we're trying to see more of the use from a content creator's point of view more than a live streamer's point of view, how we can make a lot of use for this. The Stream Deck. Okay, we got YouTube. You check your chat messages, how many viewers you have. The control center. This is what we're gonna be doing now. Voice. We made our file for the key light air. Now switch the light on or off. Set brightness, adjust brightness, set temperature, adjust them, and set color, right? So we're going to make a key. Oh, it even gives you a little, oh, and as soon as I put it up there, it already dropped right on. But we're gonna go ahead and, what is this? Oh, maybe this is the on side and this is the off side. This is the crazy looking one. Okay. It kind of looks really ugly, but what do we expect? It wasn't gonna be pretty. It was just for testing purposes. So now, if I put a title here, I don't know if it'll, oh yes, it does. It goes over it. We don't need to put any text because it does look better. Oh wow, if I put it like that, it actually goes up, up, up and away. Okay, well, we'll leave it like that. It's good quality. It's just the image is pretty ugly. But we'll fix all that later. So now what? Now if I press it, oh, God said let there be light. That works. All right, so there was another macro that I wanted to make. So what it is, you know, I have the voice meter. Do a couple of things before I am able to record because of my audio situation between the two PCs. When I turn on the computer, my gaming PC, I have to turn on voice meter first. Then on the streaming PC, I have to turn on voice meter first on here, and then snap cam for, you know, the little guy, and then Streamlabs after snap cam, and then turn off snap cam. So I'm gonna see if I can make a macro for that. Now we press it. Alright, so that's starting voice meter. Now snap cam, there we go. Oh, there we go. See, you can see both my hands here, not touching anything. And there we go. Streamlabs. And then it also shows a check mark when it's done. Right? Not bad, not bad. I put in, as you can see here, after the Streamlabs and then the delay, I put a hotkey to close SnapCam. Now, there was a few options on how to swap apps, which I could do Alt-Tab. However, Alt-Tab would bring up a menu like this, and then you would have to continuously hold Alt and Tab to the one you want. So that's not really a hotkey per se. So the only one that I can do was Win6 with the Windows key, and then press 6, it'll open up the 6th one here. This is for when I turn on the computer. So I figured we have voice meter open up first, then SnapCam, then Streamlabs. I won't have the Stream Deck open, obviously. It's only open now because testing it, we're making the macro. So Win6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll be in this spot. So when I close Stream Deck like I'm gonna do now, it should all work. So let's go ahead and test that out. I'm going to close everything this time, even the Stream Deck. Okay, so this is like fresh start. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and press it. No, okay, there we go. So voice meter. Let's see. See, voice meter opened up first. It's down here. Then SnapCam. See, it's in Win6 position. Puts the child on. You see that? Okay, so now we got Streamlabs opening up. We're all ready to stream. Oh, and there we go. No delay. Went to SnapCam and closed it for me. Okay guys, so we have had the Stream Deck for about a little over 3 weeks, maybe a month now, and I have been messing around with the Stream Deck quite often. I did go a little bit above and beyond. I wanted to make the artwork a little better, you know, so I did include GIFs on all of them. Obviously, you can't see it here, so I'm going to be recording it right here. As you can see, this button starts my streaming / recording software. So it starts up voice meter, starts up SnapCam, starts up Streamlabs, then it closes SnapCam and also opens up HW info, which gives me my reading for my GPU load, GPU clock, GPU fan, GPU temperature, and my CPU load. You can actually monitor a lot of things for your GPUs and CPUs, and you can just drag and drop them here. I just figured that these were the most important ones that I wanted to watch. This will turn off and turn on the HW info, and this one actually brings up, let me press it, this one brings up the N cleaner. If you guys don't know what that is, you can clean your system, find junk, and it'll delete all that for you. Let's close that for now, because this is not a tutorial on N cleaner. All right, so let's go back to the main menu. So a couple of things I have here. As you can see, most of these are GIFs. This one is just for when, you know, I'm not really using it. If I'm like streaming or whatever, when I'm recording, if I'm just not using it, I'd rather just, you know, do something nice. And I wanted to make it look fancy. So there's actually a tutorial on how to go about this. I'm not going to go into that just because this will be a 24-hour video if I did. No, it's not that complicated. But, you know, there is like infinite possibilities basically that you can do with the Stream Deck. And it's pretty crazy. I mean, obviously you gotta spend some time to do it, but if you do, you know, it is very worth it. And this is all for the press of a button. You're just pressing a button and there's a lot of actions happening. So I did this one, SpongeBob, just to show you all the different type of GIFs you can have. So these are just the GIFs. This one, when I press it, it starts recording and stops recording. Right now we're recording, so I'm not gonna press it. This one puts the child on me, and I believe the child is already on me, right? Yes, he is. This one will take him off. This one I believe is the fish. Yes, it is. It is the fish. And then this one is the gold face. Yeah, we got the gold face on. Oh, this one is my light. Oh, but you can't see the light turn on yet. All right, so this one is, I don't know if you guys know, but Nani. So when I press that button, it actually puts the mask on, does an audio, and then takes the mask off and puts on the child, I believe. Let's just go through that. Nani? This one, as you can see, is the Looney Tunes. That's all, folks. When I press it, it closes all applications and shuts my computer down. So I can shut my computer down with the push of a button. Obviously, I can't do that right now because I am recording. I have this template. I did want to show you guys as well that since we're doing the video is basically to show that you can, a non-streamer can actually use this as well. With that being said, I have a feedback template and I have a issuing refund template. Now I can use it for a lot more stuff, but I've gotten kind of lazy with the macros right now. I did just generate this one. It took me about what, 2 minutes to do. Just a quick one. This one will open up Excel and just put in like a preset just to show you that you can have presets help you out in Excel for you finance and accountants out there. So let's press that and watch as it goes. So now price, item, inventory, net profit, percentage, and total revenue. You can do a whole bunch of macros. This thing is endless possibilities. I mean, if we would go through all that, we'll be here for 24 hours. I'm telling you. This one opens up my Excel spreadsheet, my Amazon account, signs me in, and gets me to all my orders and everything, you know, but I can't press that because then it will take me to my account and you guys will see all my information. This one is just for my, you know, my browsers. So we have YouTube. So push it and takes me to YouTube, takes me to eBay, takes me to Amazon, Canva, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, all that good stuff. Then I just made this one a GIF because always whenever you go into a folder, the top left one is always the back button. Another thing is that you can probably get away with just the mini because these things have endless amount of possibilities. You see how this one's a folder? When I go into it, you got a whole 15, you got 15 selections in here. And guess what? You can have 15 folders. So then when you go into another folder, guess what? You have 15 more folders. Well, not 15 because you always have this one to go back. So 14. It's a lot of possibilities. I really enjoy it, guys. Okay, guys, so that is it for the Elgato Stream Deck. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do want to see a tutorial on how to do the GIF wallpaper, just leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, man. I am here, and this is what I do. Till next time, guys. Peace out.